Alexa, stop.
Hi guys! Good morning! It's weekend. Come with me. Mag-prepare tayo ng brunch. Kaya akong mag-prepare ng coffee and egg sandwich for breakfast. Lagay lang ako ng egg, mayonnaise, mustard, and cheese. Egg sandwich with cheese. Yummy! Let's toast it para mas masarap. Okay, na-toast na yung bread. Kuhain na natin. Yum, yum. Heat lang ako ng milk. So, mag-capsule na lang tayo. Okay. Coffee and egg sandwich for breakfast.